Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing two super handy home automation products from BN-Link. We've got the BN-Link Smart Wall Socket and the BN-Link InWall Countdown Timer. If you're looking to make your home smarter and more energy efficient, these are worth considering. So let's dive in. First, let's go into the Smart Wall Socket. This device replaces your standard wall outlet, and it really does a great job. Basically, this device replaces it. It connects directly to Wi-Fi, so setup is a breeze. Just follow the instructions in the app and you'll be up and running in minutes. What you'll love most about this is the remote control feature. And what I mean by that is you can turn devices on or off from anywhere using your smartphone. It also supports Google Assistant, so you can say turn off the lamp and it just works. And scheduling is another highlight. You can just set up your lights or appliances to turn on or off automatically. And this is perfect for security or saving energy. And to be honest, the socket really feels sturdy. And the app is very intuitive, making it a great choice for beginners and smart home enthusiasts. Second off is this one right here. This is the InWall Countdown Timer. This replaces your standard wall switch. So these are ideal for things like bathroom fans, lights, or even holiday decorations. And installation is very straightforward. As you can see, you got these two wires. If you're comfortable with basic wiring. Once installed, you simply, just turn it and it will basically use it like a timer. So very, very easy. It comes with these items right here. This one is the faceplate, right? That goes right on top of it and whatnot. So, and you can basically put it for 1 minute or even up to 1 hour. Which is great. So you can just set it and forget about it for energy saving. So to wrap up, both these BN-Link products are not only reliable, affordable, but also easy to use. The smart wall socket also is perfect for those who just want a full remote control and smart features, while the InWall countdown timer is fantastic low-tech solution for timed control. So if you're looking to upgrade your home with minimal hassle, definitely check these out. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you guys can purchase it if you like. Comment down below if you tried any of these products or other smart feature products. And again, this is a USB-C charger, which every phone provider now utilizes as the charging connector. So, and you guys can pause this if you're looking to see how much of a charge you're gonna get. But as you can see right here is a 5-volt 2.4 amp. So this will charge basically any smartphone quite well with no issues. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, subscribe with the notification bell, and see you guys on the next video. Thanks.